Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you the updated version of my Breeder Cats Ultimate Edition morphs. Alright, so obviously this is my C shade, but yeah, let me introduce you a bit to him. Now he is a River Clan cat. He's a warrior. He's pretty chill. Yeah. Now on to the next one. This was from the first time I ever played Breeder Cats Ultimate Edition, except I did make a few changes. I just added the tail, and her name is Snowstar, or Dust Coat. Alright. Oh, and, she's very, kind-hearted. But sometimes she can get a little crazy when she's mad. Yeah. Okay, so here is Autumn Feather. She's basically Maple if Maple Shade had a different name and wasn't evil. Yeah. She's well, sometimes she can be a little mean, but sometimes she's nice. You know, a lot of these have the mane on them. This is Bluestream, even though I have her saved as Med Cat. Yeah, her name is Bluestream, and then she is my medicine cat, mostly, which I use for like medicine, like when I'm pretending to be that's medicine cat, and yeah, she's pretty nice. This is Ocean. She's actually a kitty pet, but she's going to join River Clan. Now, her warrior name is going to be Ocean Bay. Yeah, and she's mean when she has to be mean. So she's really mean, but like just when she has to be. Yeah, so this is Shadow Fur, one of my Wind Clan elders. She's basically Yellowfang if she had sort of a different fur pattern and name. Like, she's nice, but she's also grumpy. This is Fang. He's actually C Shade's brother. He's the evil. Sorry, I just dropped the phone. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry about that. Anyways. Yeah, so Fang is a dark forest cat. He's very evil, but kind of his brother. Sorry about that. Okay. Anyways. This is Kiwi Pelt. She is one of my... Sorry about that, but this is my one of my Thunder Clan warriors. She's very fast, but not exactly nice nor mean. She's sort of in the middle. This is White Paw. Guess who? He's my rafter. Yeah. Now I'm very emo in real life. I'm not as happy, sing-songy in real life. No, am I that happy? Sorry. Yeah, he's actually Scourge's son. Yeah, and he's a rogue. He first started out as a rogue. But then he joins River Clan. I know I have a lot of River Clan cats in here, but yeah. Oh, and Fang is a rogue. Then there's Peach. She's a kitty pet. She's very nice. She has this chain heart necklace. Yeah. This is lit. Oh, sorry. Well, yeah. She used to be a rogue. But like then she joined a clan, but she still kept her name. And she's very warm-hearted. At times, she can be pretty nasty though. Then, last but not least, my beautiful Snowstar. She is the leader of River Clan. Yeah. As her time as deputy, the leader was a very evil cat. So yeah. But when she took over, it made the whole clan happy. Yeah. And that is the updated version of all of my Weird Cats Ultimate Edition morphs. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!